Yes, it is beautiful, it is elegant, you can wear it. There's a projector, there's a camera, wireless charging, a mini supercomputer basically. They can be used as secondary devices but not as primary. I'm gonna be giving away one Rabbit R1. Today we're gonna discuss how there are two companies which are trying to replace our mobile devices with the use of AI. And these two companies are Humane and Rabbit. And the devices are Humane AI Pen and Rabbit R1. Let's talk about these two devices first. So the most interesting out of the two is Humane AI Pen, and let me put it out there. This device is just superb from the way it looks, that there's so much tech that is packed into such a small body that it is unbelievable. There's a projector, there's a camera, wireless charging, a large language AI model, a mini supercomputer basically, which you can wear around. And all this you get for $699 plus a monthly subscription fees. But the real question is it really capable of replacing your mobile devices? The company is saying that they want to get away from the app-based user interface and they want to use something known as AI experiences for everything that you want to do. The way you control Humane AI Pen is through your voice, through gestures, through touch, and through your palm. And as per company, it is never sleeping and never listening. It only works when you activate it either with your voice command or by touching it or by gestures or using your palm. But the thing which is most interesting and scary to me is that they want to get away from the app-based structure. So app is something which makes phone interesting to me, which makes my phone entertaining to me. I just don't use my phone only to get my work done, but I also use it as a source of entertainment. And if there is no app, I do not see myself using it as an entertainment. Basically, if I want to scroll through Instagram Reels, I can just go to Instagram. If I want to watch videos, I can go to YouTube. I do not see myself doing all these things on this device. And when I'm paying $699 plus a monthly subscription fee, I would like to see myself doing all those things on my device. Yes, it is beautiful, it is elegant, you can wear it, and it is just so amazing and futuristic. But even from a futuristic device, I do expect to do all these things. AI experience, okay, that's amazing, it can be a plus point, but I do need my apps. I do need all those functionality that I really care about in my mobile device. The second point, which is very interesting and again very scary, is that you can only control this device with your voice, gesture, touch, and your palm. There is actually no real screen on the device. So in order to control this device, you have to talk to the device, or you have to touch to wake it up, or you need to use your palm. These are the main modes of connecting to your device. And my question is, what if you are in public and you cannot really talk to your device and you need to use your palm and your both hands are occupied? How are you supposed to do that? If I do not have my headphones with me and I need to take a personal call, am I supposed to take it on speaker? Because there is no way you can put this device on your ear and talk. And what if I want to send a personal message to my wife? How am I supposed to do it if I'm in public? And the another point which makes me think that Humane AI Pen is not for me is, what if somebody snatches it away from my shirt? Of course, it's not gonna work, but that is something they do not know. They will realize it after they've already taken it away from me. They're not gonna come back and return it to me because it's not working. My $699 are just gone. All these things makes it really difficult for me to use it and even to buy it. And that is why I actually went with Rabbit R1. I'm currently waiting for my Rabbit R1, but that is something we're gonna get into detail in just a moment. Humane also showed that how you can use this device to actually get answers to a lot of questions just by talking to your device. But to be honest, I can do all this on my current phone. I use an iPhone and we all know Siri isn't great. But to be honest, I can ask all these questions to Siri, and I can also ask Siri to call someone, and it can basically do it without any issues. There are times when I struggle with Siri, but just because of that struggle, I'm not gonna pay $699 plus some a monthly subscription fee to a company to get that functionality. On the other hand, Rabbit R1 is far more attractive option for me. It is just $199, which is the main reason why I ordered it, but there is also no monthly subscription fees. And the fact that I can actually hold it in my hand and use it makes it more attractive. Of course, in Rabbit R1 as well, there is no app-based functionality. They are also trying to get away from that. But to be honest, That is the only drawback that I see with Rabbit R1, and I will still stand with my point that both these devices cannot really replace our primary phones. In Rabbit R1 demo, the company showed how you can book an entire trip just by talking to your Rabbit R1, and it will take care of the entire itinerary from air tickets to hotel and everything else. But to be honest, I do not see myself doing it ever. Even if I'm a millionaire, I won't do it. I am one of those people who want to sit on their laptop, try to find the best deal possible, use all the possible coupons before pressing that buy button. I cannot trust AI or just a mobile device to do it for me. No matter how old I am, how advanced the technology is, I will always find myself doing it myself instead of trusting the device. But with that being said, these two devices are really attractive and beautiful, and I cannot wait for my Rabbit R1 to get my hands on it and try. And if this video hits 1000 subscribers and 5000 likes, I'm gonna be giving away one Rabbit R1. All you have to do is comment on the video about how you're gonna be using your Rabbit R1, and if you are in the US, I'm gonna be selecting one person on random, and I'm gonna be shipping the Rabbit R1 to your address free of cost. And that's it for today. If you like such videos, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Through this channel, I'm trying to make you a better developer, better data analyst, and better at AI and productivity. If you like such topics, subscribe to the channel and see you next time. Thank you so much.